Mexichem is focused on growth and they like to bring value to their customers. Swagelok have been helping us with that.
We delivered value to the customer because we managed to bring in a whole host of different parts of our organisation.
We went the extra mile on this order and it's going to benefit the customer. It's just what we do.
Even though our company's called Mexichem, it's actually in 19 different countries around the world, and we're in the UK, based in Manchester. We actually make the gas for refrigeration, car air conditioning, asthma inhalers, and our research facility has tripled in size. We've taken on new people, and there's a big drive now to get new equipment built. We started working with Gavin Pettifer is the local Swagelok representative.
I received a call from Mexichem, from one of the project engineers, and very quickly from there the whole project expanded as we started to view the different areas Mexichem wanted us to look at.
Space is mainly an issue because we're using toxic chemicals and it needs to be in a ventilated area, which the ventilated areas tend to be quite small. When we've used traditional fittings and pipework, we've struggled to fit it in this space.
So we started to look at different ways that we could actually put forward a complete solution for them. What they were asking us to do was actually to put in possibly 8 to 12 laboratories within 2 years. I very quickly brought in our custom solutions manager, Ronan Connell.
The experimentalists at Mexichem really are the key to this. They know what they want to do with their experiment. So we went through their line diagram and we tried to build an MPC system around that. So to do that, we had to first understand the system. We brought the field engineer in from Europe, which is Danny van der Berg.
Sitting down with the customer in person, with the Manchester people, Ronan and Kelvin, with this whole team, we redesigned the system and fine-tuned it and made it according to customers' requirement. The design was made in the MPC configurator software. That's where we work with to make the designs and translate the whole system to customers. From Customer Solutions, Brandon Fry supported me. He helped us out in fine-tuning the design. And he mentioned what to change in the design to make it even more compact and do actually smarter design. So Brandon is, for me, the man who helped me out, really.
If there is a customer interested in MPC, they're usually trying to reduce the footprint of the system. I'll try to maybe think of any ways we can reduce cost. So the smaller the system, the lower the cost, so it's going to benefit the customer. While we were building the MPC, Dave Kettler and the ETAP group were working on the DRP valve.
The customer sent in a schematic of valves that they had that they wanted Swagelok to quote on. We looked through it and saw that there were standard manifold assemblies that we could do. I made some quick designs, sent the drawings back to the customer as far as concept drawings go. We got the end result for them. The Teflon bodies are actually machined at our Highland facility and they're assembled inside the clean room.
We delivered value to the customer because we managed to bring in a whole host of different parts of our organisation, whereas the customer still only saw one final solution, but behind the scenes he had the value of the factory custom solutions group putting an MPC system together. He had the field engineering staff from a corporate point of view working with him. He had the factory ETOP group designing special valve ranges for them. He had our internal technicians working on the final MPC system. And he had the service of our distributorship to make sure all that product come together in one final solution.
We managed to, in a short time frame, develop some new installations that are much easier to use, that are safer to use. There's less downtime and less lower maintenance, so we can get on with our work more effectively, providing solutions for our customers.
6 values guide our people. 4 strategies guide our business. 1 global organization working toward a brighter future.